Open up. Mmm. Ah. Mmm.
Is that good?
Mmm. Delicious, huh?
Does any of that get in your mouth at all? Oh no. Ah.
Ah. Ah. Mmm. Delicious. Good job.
Is it yummy?
Mmm.
I think she likes it.
Mmm. Yes. Ooh, that's delicious.
I'm gonna give her the same spoonful over and over again.
Oh no. Ah.
Mmm.
Ah. You're supposed to open your mouth, not suck it off the spoon.
She's blowing bubbles. Ooh, she ate some of that.
Yeah. Doing some more?
Ah, yummy.
Mmm.
Backwash. That's a good girl. Say mmm.
Ah.
Ah. Open up. Ah. Oh, she kept that down.
Yeah.
Well,
I think she's eating some of it.
I think so.
No, don't eat the bib, honey.
Just put it in the bib. I'll pour it on myself. Mmm. That's delicious. Yum, yum. You got smiles for the camera? Say, yeah, I'm eating my stuff. Can we,